And as always, we're going to be looking for accurate context, good risk management, and always exercising good patience.
Everybody who's traded has gone through periods of time where their strategy hasn't worked.
Where if not a hard stop, you should reevaluate the trades you're in based on time.
That's what we're here for, is to put ourselves in the best success. A trading routine does that, builds that habit, lets you know what to work on, what to reflect on, and what to improve on the next day.
Good morning, friends and traders. Welcome to the market forecast for Friday, July 1st, 2022. Today starts a new month, a new quarter, and we have a long holiday weekend coming up. I am JD, filling in for Hogue for a few days while he's taking some much needed and well-deserved time off. Good morning, everyone. Can you just throw me a thumbs up in the chat if you can hear me? I'm testing this new microphone out. Any feedback is good feedback here. All right, looks like we're good. All right, as always, thank you for choosing to spend your time with us this morning. Hopefully we can all walk away from this with a little more knowledge and understanding than we had before we started. Remember to hit that like button. Feel free to share your comments and feedback in the chat. We appreciate all forms of feedback, like I said. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you get those wonderful updates every time we go live. Before we get started, I've got a few housekeeping items to go over with you. I just want to give you a heads up on the schedule for next week. First, Monday is 4th of July, Independence Day holiday here in the U.S. CME Group markets will be closing at 12 o'clock p.m. Central Time. So everybody here at Top Step will be taking the day off. That means there will be no forecast or recap on Monday. I'll repeat that, no market forecast and no market recap on Monday. Second, while Hogue is out, we'll be taking a break from group coaching and the Make Hogue Money sessions. They will resume the following week when Hogue returns, though, so we do apologize for any inconvenience there. Also, next Monday, July 11th, is the first day of our Trading Strategies course, hosted by our good friend and mentor, Mr. John Hoagland. It's 4 one-hour courses running Monday through Thursday, and it will be packed with tons of useful information. So please join us there. I'm going to drop the link in the chat right now. Go ahead and sign up there. Oh, one more thing concerning trading hours this weekend. If you're in a funded or premium funded account, you'll need to close all positions by 3:10 p.m. Central Time today. And you will not be able to open any new positions until 5 o'clock p.m. Central Time on Monday night. Any trading during this time could possibly result in the suspension of your account. So please be aware of trading times. Everyone in the Trading Combine and funded accounts will be receiving an email later today outlining holiday trading hours, so please keep an eye out for that email. All right, for the economic calendar today, at 8:45 Central Time, we have the Purchasing Managers Manufacturing Index, which tracks changes in production, new orders, stock levels, employment, and prices across the manufacturing industry. ISM Manufacturing Index at 9 o'clock. ISM has settled into this mid-50s range the last couple months. It closed at 56.1 in May and 55.4 and 57.1 in the prior 2 months. The consensus for June is right at 55. Also at 9 o'clock Central Time, we have construction spending. So we're getting the construction spending report for May out this morning, so it's kind of a lagging indicator. Anyway, the consensus is for construction spending to rise by 0.5% in May, after April's lower than expected 0.1% rise. Overnight, trading in Asia. Overnight stocks in Asia closed mostly lower. Shanghai Composite down 0.32%, the Nikkei down minus 1.73%, and the Hang Seng Index down 0.62%. In Europe, European stocks are trading a little lower this morning also. DAX is down 0.3%, the CAC down 0.07%, and the FTSE down 0.31%. And rounding out the trifecta, stocks here in the U.S. are also trading just a bit lower this morning, heading into the open. Also, the VIX is up roughly 2.5% this morning to 28.87, and the yield on the 10-year Treasury note is currently holding at 2.94%. That's where we're at. On the news front, I got a couple stats from the CME sent out yesterday in a newsletter concerning what's happened so far in the first half of the year. So closing out the first half of the year, the S&P is down 20%, NASDAQ is down 30%, Bitcoin is down 60%, the yield on the 10-year note has doubled, and gold has remained relatively flat, down only about 1%. It seems like the only thing doing pretty good right now is the U.S. dollar. In other news, according to the Financial Times, Citigroup is in talks with several local buyers over a potential sale of its operations in Russia, making it the latest major foreign bank to exit the country since the war began. And another headline from Bloomberg, Euro area inflation has surged to 8.6%, a fresh record, bolstering calls for aggressive interest rate increases there. Those are the big headlines I saw this morning. Let's check in on the chat and say good morning to everyone. Dan Trader first in the room. Good morning. Brian, Colonel Blake Stone, Shaw Cunningham, Charles March, Tachyon. Tachyon, I believe I heard you started your trading combine yesterday. I hope it's going well. Alfred Glitter, Terry Scott, Chris, Sarah Hall, Bill Phillips, John Glitter, Frederico, Shaw, Sarah, Laney, Scott Masking Duct, Trading Research, Dan Gutierrez, Chris Johnson. Good morning to everybody. Going straight. Oh, we're having some problems with the audio here, huh? Let me take a look. Let me know if this is any better. Well, I guess we can work on this for Monday too. I'm sorry, Tuesday. We're off on Monday. So, what does Chris say? If you guys switch your headphones around, it's on the right channel. Thanks, Chris. Good call. Just your practice account, Tachyon. Breaking it in. It's good. I've also been taking it easy. I was on vacation for a better part of 2 weeks. We didn't schedule like this, Hogue and I having our vacations back to back, but I've been out of the market for just about 2 weeks. I haven't made a trade. I don't plan on making a trade today either. We'll go over that on my charts in just a second. I'm going to show you something.